If you want to change keyboard language on Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, we're gonna swipe up on the watch face to open the list of apps, and we're gonna go to Settings. Now over here in Settings, we're gonna keep scrolling down until we find General. There we go. So here we have General Settings. Then in here you want to go to Samsung Keyboard. Then you can choose Input Languages, and here tap on Manage Languages. Now, in here we have the list of all available languages, so if you want to use any of them, you just have to make sure that it is enabled here on this list. And of course, if you want to, you can uncheck or disable the previous language if you don't want to use it anymore. Of course, you can still use 2 languages or more at the same time. So the next time you open the keyboard, let me actually try to open it. And let's say I'm gonna use the Play Store in this case. Here we can easily open our keyboard, and there we go. And as you can see, let me actually turn this off. As you can see here on the spacebar, we have the currently selected language. So what you can do here is you can press and hold your finger on the spacebar, and then you will have the language selection. And of course, you will see only those languages that have been activated in the input languages. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.